had a peep this evening into what is happening at the great Liverpool Football Club. These are rough times at Liverpool, having surrendered our league title, and we will do well to stay in the Champions League next season. Speculations are swirling that the boss is getting fed up and is going to leave. Klopp denied those reports, saying he's staying put at Liverpool and is committed to fixing the problems. We're happy to hear that. But fundamentally, though, I am worried about the future of Jurgen Klopp at Liverpool. If you listen to the pronouncements of the boss, he continues to say the team is playing good football and he will continue to work until things turn around and blah, blah, blah. Klopp is sounding like a man mesmerized by his own beliefs and not open to tweaks and changes. I think that is danger for Liverpool. We know the injuries have been wicked this season, but it is plain to see that the Liverpool offensive game has become predictable and stale. Yes. Plus, the players are getting tired. So even when we get back all our players, we need to make some fundamental changes. Right now, Klopp sounds like he's hell-bent on continuing to do exactly the same thing over and over again while expecting different results, which would qualify him as a bona fide. It would qualify him. You understand? Okay.